teacher is explaining a lesson to his students. Suddenly, one of the students raises his hand. "Teacher, my watch has been stolen. I've searched everywhere for it, but I can't find it." The teacher is concerned. He asks the students to stand in a line and close their eyes. He then walks down the line, checking each student's pockets. The child who stole the watch was terrified that he would be caught. He closed his eyes tightly, hoping that the teacher would not find it. The teacher stops in front of the child who stole the watch. He puts his hand in the child's pocket and finds the watch. The teacher could have exposed the child who stole the watch and punished him, but he didn't. Instead, he took the watch and continued checking the other students. "All right, everyone, you can open your eyes and return to your seats." The child who stole the watch is relieved. He is grateful that the teacher did not expose him. Years passed, and the child who stole the watch graduated from school and university. He became a successful man. One day, he met his old teacher at a social event. He went up to the teacher and said, "Hello, teacher, how do you not remember me? I'm the one who stole the watch from my classmate all those years ago. You checked all of us, but you didn't expose me. I wanted to thank you for that." That day, I decided that I would never steal again. Of course, my son, I remember that incident. I asked all of the students to close their eyes so that I wouldn't ruin the future of the student who stole the watch. But what you don't know is that I also closed my eyes when I checked your pockets. I didn't want to have a bad feeling towards the student who did that. Today, I know that it was you, but I'm so happy to hear that you stopped stealing and succeeded in your life.